Hello everyone. I hope all is doing well this evening. And this is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. And I hope you all are doing, everybody's doing okay. So I'm going to start with my scripture, and it's Proverbs 22:29. Do you see a man excellent in his work? He will stand before the king. He will not stand before the unknown men. All right, it's coming from Proverbs 22, verse 29. Thank you so much. And I'm getting ready to get started now. And I'm doing a lemon ice box pie. So I have already put in 1.5 cups of graham crackers crumbs, okay? And I had to mash them up. And also I had 6 tablespoons of butter. And I poured that in. 1/3 cup of sugar. And I've already mashed it up.
Sorry, y'all. I thought it was on filming, but it wasn't.
Okay, so I've already gotten started. I know this will be totally delicious for you guys. So I'm going to get this in. I'm going to get it on and get it into my to the pie pan and just let it, once I put it in. Okay. You can mash it down real good, where I have edges in it also. So it'll go down into. I think this is it's a 9-inch pie shell. Pie plate. Okay, I put 3 cups of condensed brand milk, and that's what I'm putting in the bowl right now. It's 3 cups of milk, okay. All right. So now I have that in also. So now I have 3 eggs. It's slightly beaten. 3 egg yolks. I have to divide the egg yolks, not to use the white, just the egg yolks, okay? All right. And I'm going to blend them in a little bit so they can get started. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in 1 cup of heavy cream. This is the heavy cream that I'm using, okay? This is a very good heavy cream. So I'll be using 1 cup of heavy cream. Lots of calories in it. Lots of them. Please believe me. Lots of calories, so. Okay. I'm just mixing it up a little bit. Then once I put the lemon juice in, then the lemon juice is going to tighten it up. And then I'll be able to, I don't know, I'm trying to debate whether I'm going to use the electric mixer or just use the whisk. But I think I'm going to use the mixer. I'm just trying to blend it in before I start with the mixer. But I'll use the mixer down low. Okay. Now I'm pouring in, this is my lemon juice. And this is 2/3 cups of lemon juice. 2/3 cups. 2/3 cups of real lemon juice, okay? Can you see that? Okay. And I just need just a dash of salt. I don't need a whole lot, just a little dash, which I'll just put in my hand and just dash it in a little bit. Okay, that's all I need. All right, so now, all right, so I'm going to use the mixer down low. I start with the medium part of it. A few minutes.
Y'all, she put up higher, just for a little bit higher for a few minutes.
My lemon pie crust, and I made it out of the graham cracker crumbs, and I had to cook it for a few minutes, and now I'm going to put the pie inside, the filling inside rather. This is a very, very rich lemon pie. It was made out of all condensed milk. And I made it. I was hoping this was the no bake, but you have to do a little baking to it anyway. So I have it in a 9-inch shell. And I've already did the cup and a half of graham cracker crumbs in order to for the crust, and then the crust has to be cooked. But I noticed I put it back in the oven, so some of the crust went down. So after I put it in there, so but this has to go in for about 10 minutes, so then it'll be ready to come out again.
She'll be back, y'all, once it come out the oven. Thank you.
Let's see.
Hey, y'all, she putting whipped cream on there. You can also use homemade whipped cream.
Okay, this is the final touches of my lemon icebox pie. So I want you all to see, I'm getting ready to make a cut, just a small little smudge in it. So which way to cut it? Just want to get a little small piece. That crust is hard. Okay, this is the final touches of my lemon icebox pie. So I'm getting ready to do, I've already cut it. This slice had made me a slice to cut it. And you see the pie, and here's my plate over here. So I'm getting ready to taste it. Okay, I'm getting ready to do my taste test, all right. I know it's very delicious. I tell you, it's very good, and it's very rich. You're doing condensed milk plus heavy cream. And of course, lemon pie is my favorite. So anything lemon, I love. But I know it's just a lot of calories in it. Because I'll tell you, it is truly off the chain. offer a lot of change, and it's very, very good. So please, this is another idea for your Easter dinner if you want to do it quick. With all my love, this is coming to you from Miss Lena's Kitchen, a lemon icebox pie for your Easter holidays. Thank you so much. Keep watching, you will know. And I love you all. So I'll see you again real soon. Goodbye. God bless.